Today I'm gonna solve you exercise 4.2 question number 20. X minus 1 by x whole square plus 3 into x plus 1 by x is equal to 0. As I told you earlier in the previous question that we will sort out question from this term. And after using this term, we will approach this term. But these both terms are not that if we take the square of this term, this is not x square. So first of all we will first of all we will remove this square. And how to remove this square? By a minus b whole square, by applying the formula of a minus b whole square. And the formula of a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2a into b. So we consider this term as a and we consider this term as b. So a square, a is x square plus b square plus b is square minus 2a into b minus 2a into b. A is x and b is 1 by x plus 3 x plus 1 by x as it is equal to 0. So x and 1 by x cancel each other. What is x square? Is x square plus 1 square is 1 and x square is x square minus 2 plus 3 x plus 1 by x equal to 0. So we put in the form of bracket. So both the variables have the same power, so we put the bracket. Now we consider this term, and by using this term we will consider this term. So first of all we will consider let x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x is equal to y. And how to approach this term? By taking square. So by taking square, x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to y square. So formula of a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here we apply, we consider this term as a and this term as b. So a square plus b square plus 2a into b is equal to y square. Y square is y square. So x and 1 by x cancel each other. X square plus 1 square is 1 and x square plus 2 is equal to y square. Now x square plus 1 by x square, we want to find x plus 1 by x square value. Y square positive and take in the right side, positive and become negative sign. So this and this we utilize this. We name this as equation 1. We name this as equation 1. So by putting values in equation 1. Equation 1, put x square plus 1 by x square equal to y square minus 2. So here what we write? Instead of this term we will write y square minus 2. Y square minus 2. And this is already minus 2. So we write as it is minus 2. And plus 3x plus 1 by x and plus 3, and what we consider x plus 1 by x is equal to y, so plus 3y equal to 0. Y square minus 2 minus minus plus 2 and 2 plus 4 sign minus minus 4 plus 3y equal to 0. So y square plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Y square minus 4 plus 3y, y square plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. So what we will do, we will break the midterm. How to break the midterm? By making factor. We pick the coefficient of y square is 1 and simple constant is 4. 4 ones are 4, so we make the factor of 1. So factors are plus 4. This is plus 3, so we will get a value with positive sign and smaller value with negative sign. These are the factors. Plus 4 minus 4 ones are 4, so plus minus 4 minus 1 3 sign get a value. Factors are 4y square plus 4y minus 4 equal to 0. It means if we plus cy, we can write plus cy in the form of plus 4y minus y. So now we take the pair, make the pair, and after making the pair we will take the common. This is pair, y is common from these two terms. One y is left, y is common, plus y is common and 4 is left. Minus is common, minus 1, minus plus, minus plus 4 equal to 0. Why we take minus? Because both these two terms are positive sign, so we take minus common, so that this term is also becomes positive. So both these are same, we write at one time, and y minus 1 equal to 0. First of all, we'll take y plus 4 equal to 0. Second time we'll take y minus 1 equal to 0. Y is equal to positive sign become negative sign when taking the right side, and y is equal to minus 1 become positive 1. But here we can see that we consider x plus 1 by x is equal to y. So y is equal to x plus 1 by x. Here we put x plus 1 by x is equal to minus 4 and x plus 1 by x is equal to 1. Now take LCM. LCM is x, so we multiply each term with x. Minus 4 into x. X square plus 1 is equal to minus 4x. X square plus 4x plus 1 equal to 0. Minus 4x when taken the left side become positive. Minus and become positive. So there is no factor of 1, so we will use quadratic formula. X is equal to minus b. B is 4 plus minus under root b square. B is 4 square minus 4. A coefficient of x is 1 is a, and simple constant is c. Minus 4a into c. C is 1 divided by 2a. A is 1. Minus 4 plus minus under root 16 minus 4 divided by 2. 16. This is 16 minus 4 divided by 2. Minus 4 plus minus under root 12 divided by 2. Under root 12 becomes minus 4 plus minus 2 under root 3. So 2 is common. What is left? 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So minus 2 plus minus under root 3. Minus 4 under root 12 becomes 2 under root 3. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So minus 2 plus minus under root 3. X is equal to this term. Now we solve this term. We solve question for this. X is LCM, so we multiply each term with x. Plus 1 by x into x is equal to 1 into x. x and x cancel, x square plus 1 is equal to x. X square, positive x becomes negative x plus 1 equal to 0. So there is no factor of 1 which make the minus 1, so we will apply quadratic rule. Quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b, b is minus 1, minus b, b is minus 1, plus minus under root b square. B is minus 1 square minus 4a. X square is, coefficient of x square is a is 1. C is also 1 divided by 2a, a is 1. Minus minus plus 1 plus minus under root 1. Negative 1 square is positive 1. Minus 4 divided by 2. 1 plus minus minus 3 divided by 2. We know that the under root minus 1 is equal to iota. So this under root minus 1 we can write in the form of iota divided by 2. X is equal to, so our solution set becomes, solution set is equal to minus 2 plus minus under root 3 and 1 plus minus under root 3 iota divided by 2. These are our required solution.